Hey guys, it's Lopez, and today I'm reviewing a Jeremy Fragrance bundle. We're going to start off this bundle with Mint Energy. This is going to be an EDP, Eau de Parfum. This is a 50 ml bottle, 1.7 fluid ounces. The price range for this fragrance is $239. Let me show you guys what the box looks like. So with the box, this is what you're getting. You're getting the notes back here. You're getting a very, very flimsy box. It feels paper thin, and quite frankly, like, yeah, this is what you're dealing with. Cheap quality box, but the box doesn't really matter. What's inside of here is what matters. And this is what the fragrance looks like. So with this cap's not even wood. This is like a cheap plastic, and it says Mint Energy on the bottom. Get some information, a little batch code, silver atomizer. Let me show you guys how it sprays. That atomizer is actually really good, but it's not worth $239. So what kind of performance am I getting for $239? 4 hours. Some of the notes for this fragrance are going to be peppermint, juniper berries, ginger, mandarin, tea, vetiver, and musk. Gentlemen, when's the best time to use this fragrance? For those of you that want to know, you guys are curious about it, it's going to be in the spring and summer. Do I recommend this fragrance? Absolutely not. This fragrance, to me, it was very basic, and I didn't like it. I didn't like the price. I didn't like how cheap it was. The box, the bottle is kind of flimsy. You're just getting 50 ml for what it costs, and I just believe this thing's a steal. Like, and it smells very generic. Like, I don't want to talk bad on this fragrance. It's just I'm being honest about it. I would never in my life repurchase this fragrance. The only positive I can say is if you do have this fragrance because you got a good sweet deal on it, a nice bundle, don't wear it alone. Don't spray it, don't wear it alone. You can do that, but it's not even going to perform. What you want to do is layer it with something aquatic, layer it with something fresh. You lay on the stronger fragrance first, and then you layer it with this crap. I mean, you want to use it up because, I mean, you want to get what you paid for. Up next, we're going with most masculine. This fragrance is listed as an extrait de parfum, but on the bottom it says EDP, Eau de Parfum. I don't know if it's a printing issue, but the price range for this fragrance is $560. Let me show you guys what it looks like. I do not have the box. I threw it out. I already reviewed this fragrance, but it was part of the bundle. And you're pretty much getting a simple bottle. Really, really long cap. Weird. And the pressurized atomizer on this one is really good. That's good stuff right there. So some of the notes for this fragrance are going to be red berries, iris, orange, patchouli, geranium, sage, lemon, elmi, pine, and cedarwood. So the performance that you're getting with this fragrance, you're getting 10 plus hours. When's the best time to use this fragrance? In the fall and winter. Do I recommend this fragrance? Absolutely. This fragrance pulls compliments. It smells really good. If I was to describe what this fragrance smells like,
it stinks. Nice and good.
it's like a toned down version of Louis Vuitton's Ombre Nomad. The only thing I don't like about it would be the price. If you purchase the fragrance on his website by itself, you're paying full price. And if you get a deal, you wait for a bundle deal on one of his coupon codes that he gives out, you're going to get it for a pretty solid price. Up next, we're going with Office for Men. This is going to be an EDP, Eau de Parfum. This is a 100 ml bottle, 3.4 fluid ounces. The price range for this fragrance is $250. Let me show you guys what the bottle looks like. So with this one, you're getting a transparent bottle. The other version had, the most masculine was a matte finish, and the cap was a little bit larger than the other one. It's a lot taller, but the bottles are pretty much the same. Get some information down here. silver atomizer. It's pressurized. Really good stuff. Some of the notes of this fragrance are going to be ambroxan, bergamot, orris, woody, floral, ambergris, amber, jasmine, musk, patchouli, and cashelu. So with this fragrance, you're getting 10 plus hours of performance. When's the best time to use this fragrance? It's versatile. You can use it in the spring, the summer, fall, and winter, anytime you want. Do I recommend this fragrance? Absolutely. This fragrance is pretty much a hybrid. If I was to describe it, it's a hybrid of Creed Aventus, Bleu de Chanel, and Sauvage. If you were to mix them in a pot, you would get this puppy right here. Black tie is not part of the bundle, but I wanted to mention it because this fragrance right here, it's going to last you 12 plus hours. This is my favorite fragrance from the Jeremy Fragrance collection. And if I could describe this one, you're getting like a very dark, fruity leather. It's very unique. It's kind of smells sinister. It's very different. It's very unique. Out of all of them, this is going to be my favorite. If I was to put them in order, this would be my favorite. Power! And then it would be Office for Men and Most Masculine. Mint Energy, you could toss that one out, but I just wanted to mention it, although it wasn't part of the bundle. So the total price for this bundle for me was $272. I found a coupon code and I ended up using it. He actually listed it on his YouTube channel, and I forgot what the coupon code was. I think it was fragrance, Jeremy Fragrance 70 or something like that. It was 70% off. And in reality, if you divide 272 by 3, you're getting around $90 a piece. So I got pretty much each one of these bottles for $90. That sure beats paying 500 plus for this, 250 plus for this, and 250 plus for this one. So you can toss this one out. I'm still happy with these two right here. Anyways, guys, that was it for today. Thank you for watching. This was a review of one of Jeremy Fragrance's bundles. Thank you.